Is your mind brimming with logo ideas for your cleaning company, but you don't know how to start working on it? Or is your current cleaning symbol looking a little dusty? This video will help walk you through the design process of making a spotless logo for your cleaning brand. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a logo to polish your brand identity. This billion-dollar industry is booming with opportunities. It sees above-average growth in the USA alone. Cleanliness is getting increasingly important, especially during a pandemic. You should not take a willy-nilly approach with your branding. When designing your cleaning logo, the first step is to think about your specialty. Remember that trying to appeal to everyone will result in you not being able to appeal to anyone. This saying is especially true for businesses that are just starting out. Do you offer cleaning services for residential, commercial, laundry, or specialty purposes? You can discover the perfect designs in seconds using the BrandCrowd logo maker. All you have to do is type in your cleaning niche on the search bar to start browsing for the perfect symbol. Once you've found the perfect logo for your brand, you can start working on the next step. You can start by selecting a brand color. Colors can dramatically change your design. People change their perception of a brand by using colors as a basis. For the cleaning industry, you will see a lot of logo designs in the color blue. Blue is a color that represents credibility. This color will allow your brand to look more professional and reliable. But you can break free from the norm and make use of other colors. Fonts also add another layer of personality in your design. Serif fonts like Alio and Freshman are seen as traditional. While sans serif fonts such as Grotesque and Nor'Wester look more modern. Once you are done personalizing your design, it's time for you to organize the design elements. Would your logo be better if you put the illustration on top of your brand name or beside it? Always make sure to use space wisely when adjusting the layout. Don't worry too much about ruining the spacing though. BrandCrowd's logo maker has a reset button to help you go back to the original layout of your design. Plus, the grids will help you maintain symmetry as well. Voila! Now we have a squeaky clean and balanced logo for your business. From here, you can use the preview feature to create mockups that feature your logo. You can see how your design looks on business cards, websites, signage, and other assets. This will help you visualize your brand better and bring it to life. You can find more remarkable brand logos on BrandCrowd. The designs you will find are versatile and designed for different cleaning niches. Discover logos for window cleaning, restoration, pressure washing, chimney sweeping, ceiling cleaning, and so much more. Remember that having a run-of-the-mill identity is one of the common reasons why cleaning brands fail. A comprehensive branding strategy will help keep your business from biting the dust. Make sure to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.